Hi health champions, do you know that black vivet tamarind, also known as chereku in Igbo land, can be consumed freshly, dried or soaked in water and drunk afterward? This improves oral health, prevent menstrual cramp, help in retentive memory, treat stomach ulcer and prevent hypertension. This is me consuming this, and this is how you can use it to treat your stomach ulcer. Soak it in water and drink afterward the next day. Your ulcer will be cured. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about the health benefit of black vivet tamarind, also known as chereku in Igbo land. Do you know that black vivet tamarind can be freshly consumed, dried or soaked in water, and drunk afterward? It helps improve oral health, prevent menstrual cramp, help for retentive memory, prevent hypertension, and treat stomach ulcer. Black vivet tamarind is one of nature's best kept secrets. Most people love its sweet and tangy fruit, but what many don't know is that its seed and leaf are nutritional powerhouses with incredible medicinal properties. In this video, we will explore their science-backed health benefits, traditional uses, and how you can easily incorporate them in your daily routine. Stay tuned till the end of this video because I will be sharing a simple DIY recipe. Black vivet tamarind, scientifically called Dalun guineaensis, is a tropical plant native to West Africa. This fruit has a dark velvety shell with a sweet sour pulp, but the real magic lies in its seed and leaf. For centuries, traditional healers have used this part to treat everything from digestive issues to infection. Modern research is now confirming many of these benefits, making it a must-have in your natural health toolkit. Before we dive into the benefit, let's look at what makes black vivet tamarind so special. The leaf and the seed are packed with antioxidants. These are flavonoid and phenolic compounds that fight free radicals, essential minerals. These include kajun, magnesium, potassium, and iron, anti-inflammatory compounds. These help reduce pain and swelling. Antimicrobial agents are effective against bacteria and fungi. This unique combination makes it a potent remedy for multiple health issues. Let's start with the seed. Here is why they are a game changer for your health. They are powerful digestive aids. The seed contains tannins and fiber, which help treat diarrhea, bloating, and stomach ulcer. Traditional healers grind them into a powder and mix with water for relief. Boost heart health. Studies suggest they help lower bad cholesterol and regulate blood pressure, reducing heart disease risk. Natural pain reliever, used in folk medicine to ease joint pain, headache, and menstrual cramp due to its anti-inflammatory effect. Enhances skin healing. When ground into paste, they can treat wounds, eczema, and fungal infection thanks to their antimicrobial properties, rich in protein and energy. A great plant-based protein source, ideal for vegetarians and athletes. Support weight loss. High fiber content keep you full longer, reducing craving, detoxify the liver, help flush out toxins, and improve liver function. Now, let's talk about the leaves. They are equally impressive with their own set of benefits. They fight infection. Research shows they combat bacteria like E. coli and Staphylococcus, making them great for treating wounds and UTIs. Manages diabetes. Compounds in the leaf help lower blood sugar levels, making them useful for diabetes, respiratory relief. A tea made from the leaf soothes cough, asthma, and bronchitis by clearing mucus and reducing inflammation. Boost immunity. They are packed with vitamin C and zinc. They strengthen the body's immune system. They are natural diuretics. They help flush out excess water and toxins, supporting kidney health. Relieve stress and insomnia. The leaf have mild sedative properties, promoting relaxation and better sleep. Step-by-step preparation on how to use both the seed and leaf at home. For the seed, digestive remedy. Grind 1 to 2 teaspoons of seed into powder. Mix with water or honey and drink once daily. Skin treatment. Mix powdered seed with coconut oil. Apply to wounds or rashes and leave for 20 minutes before rinsing. Energy booster. Roast and grind seed into flour. Add a smoothies or porridge. For leaf, immunity boosting tea. Steep 5 to 7 dried leaf in hot water for 10 minutes. Drink 1 to 2 times daily. For respiratory sting, boil leaf in water. Inhale the sting to clear congestion. Detox bath. Add crushed leaf to bath water to soothe skin irritations. While black vivid tamarind is generally safe, keep this in mind. Avoid excessive consumption because it may cause stomach upset and constipation. Not for pregnant or nursing mothers. Limited research on safety. Consult a doctor if on medication, especially for diabetes or blood pressure. I believe you found this video helpful. If you want me to cover another superfood, let me know below. See you in the next video. Indeed, nature heals and learning never ends. In case you don't know me, I am Chinenye Harriet, and if you like natural remedies, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video.